Are you over 60 and waking up with knees that feel frozen solid? What if I told you 70% of seniors are making one simple breakfast mistake that's keeping them in pain when the solution is sitting right in their kitchen? Millions of seniors struggle silently with knee pain every single day. That dull ache when you get out of bed. The stiffness after sitting too long. That sharp, almost electric pain when you try to climb stairs. It's one of the most common complaints I hear in my clinic, and most people think it's just part of getting older. But here's what shocked me. It doesn't have to be that way. Take Margaret, a 72-year-old grandmother who came to see me 2 years ago. She couldn't climb the stairs in her own home. She hadn't been able to get on the floor to play with her grandson in years. She felt like her body was betraying her. But here's what changed everything for Margaret. And it wasn't medication, it wasn't expensive therapy, and it wasn't surgery. As a doctor who's worked with older adults for many years, I've seen how joint pain steals more than just mobility. It takes away confidence, independence, and joy. But what surprised me most is how much of this pain can actually be managed, or even reversed, by simply nourishing your body the right way. Today, I want to share something truly remarkable with you. A simple, natural morning drink made from 3 everyday ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. This isn't a medication or an expensive supplement. It's a science-backed, nutrient-rich blend that has helped many of my patients regain strength, walk without pain, and feel years younger. And I'll show you exactly how to make it in just 2 minutes. But first, let me show you what's really happening inside your knees after 60. The soft cartilage that cushions your bones begins to thin and dry out. Imagine the soft padding between your bones getting thinner, like a worn-out cushion. And here's something most people don't know. After 75, this degradation accelerates 40% faster. This process worsens with inflammation, poor circulation, and a lack of key nutrients that keep joints flexible. Once that cushion wears down, bones start rubbing against each other, causing stiffness, cracking, and swelling with every step. But here's the truth most people miss. The pain you feel isn't always from the damage itself. It's from the inflammation surrounding your joints. Those tiny chemical reactions happening every day create that burning, aching feeling. Think of them as alarm systems in your joints that keep going off. Your body is saying, "I need healing." Sadly, most people are told to rely on painkillers or injections. But here's the problem. They only mask the pain. They don't rebuild tissue or calm the real cause, which is inflammation. And long-term use of medications like ibuprofen can harm your stomach lining and kidneys. But here's the good news. Your body can still repair itself, even at 60, 70, or 80, when you give it the right nutrients. I've seen seniors who could barely walk regain mobility just by changing what they drink each morning. So, let me show you the 3 powerful ingredients that make this possible. 1. Prunes. Most people think of prunes as something you eat for digestion, but they're far more powerful than that. Prunes are rich in plant compounds called polyphenols, which directly fight inflammation in your joints. That swelling and stiffness you feel in your knees, much of it is caused by harmful chemical reactions inside your body that irritate your tissues. Think of it like rust forming inside your joints. Prunes help calm that down. But here's what makes them truly special. They contain polyphenols that block the same inflammation pathway that painkillers like ibuprofen target, the COX-2 enzymes. Except prunes do it naturally, without harming your stomach. They're also loaded with bone-building minerals like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals help deliver nutrients straight to the cartilage, that protective cushion between your bones. In one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, daily prune intake was shown to improve bone strength and reduce inflammation markers in older adults. 2. Oats. Oats may look humble, but they are one of nature's best anti-inflammatory foods. They contain a special type of fiber called beta-glucan, which doesn't just help digestion. It actually calms inflammation throughout your entire body. When inflammation drops, pain naturally decreases. Oats also provide steady energy all day long, something many older adults struggle with. Instead of those morning energy spikes and midday crashes, oats release glucose slowly, keeping your body energized and your joints nourished. And here's something most people don't realize. Oats support gut health, too. A healthy gut lining is where 90% of nutrient absorption happens. If your gut is inflamed from processed foods, even the best nutrients just pass through without helping your joints. According to Johns Hopkins Geriatric Medicine, gut health directly impacts how well seniors over 65 absorb nutrients. Before we continue, let me ask you something. How's your health been lately? Are you still struggling with stiffness or fatigue? If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button to Senior Forge 365 so you don't lose this recipe. I'll show you exactly how to make it in just a moment. 3. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Think of these fats like oil in a machine. They lubricate your joints, reducing stiffness and helping them move smoothly. But that's not all. MCTs help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. In fact, studies show MCTs can improve vitamin absorption by up to 60%. And all of these vitamins play critical roles in bone and muscle health. Coconut milk also contains muscle-relaxing minerals like magnesium and potassium, both crucial for reducing cramping and maintaining electrolyte balance, something many older adults lose with age. Coconut milk nourishes your connective tissues from the inside out, helping your knees feel smoother and more flexible over time. When you combine these three ingredients, prunes, oats, and coconut milk, you create what I like to call a joint renewal formula. It gently reduces inflammation, replenishes your body's nutrients, and helps you start each day with comfort and strength. This morning drink fights the inflammation that's causing your pain. But here's the thing, most people mess up. You have to prepare it the right way, and you have to drink it at the right time. So, let me show you exactly how to make this powerful morning drink. Write this down, because in just 2 minutes, you'll have a creamy, golden drink that not only helps your joints, but actually tastes delicious. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Take 6 pitted prunes. If they're a bit dry or firm, simply soak them in half a cup of warm water for about 15 minutes. They'll soften and turn a darker, richer color. This helps release their natural nutrients. And here's important. Don't throw away that water. I'll explain why in just a moment. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. You can use quick oats or traditional ones. Either works fine. Step 3. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk. Fresh coconut milk is best, but if you prefer boxed or canned, just choose one without added sugar or preservatives. Check the label. Step 4. Add half a ripe banana. This gives your drink a pleasant, natural sweetness, and it adds potassium, which supports muscle and nerve function. It's optional, but most people love the creamy taste it brings. Step 5. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Beyond the aroma and flavor, cinnamon is rich in compounds that support circulation and reduce inflammation, both crucial for easing joint pain. Now here's the mistake 70% of seniors make. And this is critical. Remember that prune soak water I told you not to throw away? Most people discard it, thinking it's just water. But that liquid contains powerful antioxidants, fiber, and a natural compound called sorbitol, which reduces gut inflammation and helps your intestines absorb the minerals from this drink. Throwing it away cuts the effectiveness by 30%. So add that water to your blender too. Step 6. Place everything into your blender. The prunes soak water, oats, coconut milk, banana, and cinnamon. Now blend for about 2 full minutes until everything turns into a smooth, velvety consistency. You'll see it transform into a creamy, golden blend. If it feels too thick, simply add a splash more water or coconut milk until it reaches your preferred texture. The goal is a drink that's smooth, easy to swallow, and satisfying. And that's it. You now have a nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory smoothie that helps calm pain, lubricate your joints, and strengthen your bones. But here's the secret that makes this drink truly effective. It's not just what you drink, it's when you drink it. I recommend having this smoothie first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. Here's why. On an empty stomach, your intestines absorb nutrients 3 times faster. After you eat, your digestive system is busy breaking down food and misses these key compounds. Think of it as giving your joints and muscles their morning vitamins before anything else. Drink this consistently for at least 30 days. Most people start feeling lighter and less stiff within the first week, but the real changes come after about 3 to 4 weeks of regular use. Remember, your joints didn't weaken overnight, and they won't rebuild overnight either. But with consistency, they absolutely can heal and strengthen. Give it 30 days. That's all it takes to walk without pain. And to keep your results long-lasting, it helps to stay active. Each day, take a 10-minute walk after drinking this. Just 10 minutes. If that's too much, walk for 5 minutes twice a day. Movement helps the nutrients reach your joints faster. Even simple daily stretching makes a big difference when combined with proper nutrition. Now, want to boost your results even more? Let me show you the 3 strongest variations you can try. These keep the flavor exciting and bring additional joint-supporting nutrients into your routine. 1. Apple instead of banana. Apples are rich in a compound called quercetin, a natural antioxidant with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show quercetin can reduce joint swelling by up to 25%, especially in seniors over 75. It also adds a crisp, refreshing flavor, perfect if you prefer a less sweet smoothie. 2. Turmeric and black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric along with a tiny pinch of black pepper. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is well known for fighting inflammation and supporting circulation in the joints. But here's the key. The black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 0%. That's 20 times better. Together, they create a natural anti-pain, anti-swelling blend that supports mobility and recovery. 3. Chia seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are one of nature's best sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. 1 teaspoon gives you the omega-3 seconds your joints need to stay lubricated and flexible. They also provide extra fiber and protein, keeping you full longer and helping regulate digestion, both vital for seniors who want to maintain balanced energy levels. Each of these variations keeps your routine fresh while giving your body different nutrients to work with. You can rotate them throughout the week or stick with your favorite. The goal isn't just to reduce pain temporarily. It's to rebuild and protect your joints over time. I tell all my patients the same thing. You don't have to chase miracles. You just need consistency. Even small actions done every day with care create lasting change. Now, let me tell you exactly what to expect as your body begins to heal. Here's what most seniors notice. After the first 3 days, many people say their body starts feeling lighter. That deep, frozen stiffness that used to greet them in the morning begins to fade. Getting out of bed, walking to the kitchen, or moving around the house feels just a bit easier. It's not dramatic yet, but it's a sign your body is responding. By the end of the first week, inflammation begins to calm down more noticeably. You might find yourself sitting through a movie or standing for longer periods without that dull, throbbing ache behind your knees. Your energy starts improving, too, because your blood circulation and nutrient absorption are both getting stronger. Remember Robert, a 8-year-old patient of mine? He gave up his morning walks after years of knee stiffness. After week 2, he was back to his 3-mile routine. Now he does 4 miles. Then comes the real turning point around the 3rd to 4th week. That's when most seniors tell me they can climb stairs again with confidence or walk longer distances without stopping every few minutes. The heaviness in their joints decreases. The cracking and popping sounds become less frequent. They simply feel stronger and more mobile. And remember Margaret, who I mentioned at the beginning? She couldn't climb stairs for 2 years. She couldn't get on the floor to play with her grandson. After 28 days of drinking this every morning, she walked her 6-year-old grandson to school. First time in 2 years she could do that. She told me it felt like getting her life back. But here's something I always emphasize. The key isn't perfection. It's consistency. Missing a day won't erase your progress. What matters is maintaining the habit most days of the week, because your body thrives on routine. Just like exercise or sleep, your joints need daily nourishment. That's why I recommend making this smoothie part of your morning ritual, the same way you brush your teeth or take your vitamins. before breakfast every morning for 30 days minimum. And remember, no two bodies heal the same way. Some people feel results faster, while others need a few extra weeks. What's important is that you don't give up before your body has time to heal. So, if you've been struggling with knee pain, stiffness, or fatigue, think of this drink as your daily companion, something that gently helps your body repair itself from within. Now, quick reminder, always check with your doctor first, especially if you take medications or have chronic conditions. This video is for informational purposes only. Your safety always comes first, and your doctor can help ensure this routine fits your unique needs. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by understanding that millions of seniors experience knee pain, stiffness, and fatigue, not just from aging, but often from inflammation, poor circulation, and a lack of joint nourishment that can be fixed. You then learned about a simple, powerful drink made from 3 main ingredients: prunes, which contain polyphenols that block the same inflammation pathway as painkillers, but naturally; oats, which calm your body's internal swelling with special fiber and improve energy throughout the day; and coconut milk, which lubricates your joints and helps you absorb critical vitamins 60% better. Together, these 3 ingredients create a natural blend that supports smoother movement, lighter steps, and healthier joints, all without relying on medications that can damage your stomach or kidneys. By reducing inflammation naturally, you can walk without pain again. We also explored the 3 strongest variations you can try: adding apple for quercetin and 25% less joint swelling, turmeric with black pepper for 20 times better anti-inflammatory absorption, and chia seeds for omega-3 seconds that keep your joints lubricated and flexible. And remember, drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast every morning for at least 30 days. Within just 3 days, you may notice less stiffness and more energy. By week 1, less pain. By week 3 to 4, you'll feel strong and mobile again. It's a simple act of daily care that can bring powerful, long-term change. 3 ingredients: prunes, oats, coconut milk. Blend. Drink before breakfast. 30 days. Don't be in that 70% who make the breakfast mistake. Start tomorrow morning. Now, before you go, I want to leave you with this thought. Pain doesn't just hurt your knees. It affects the mind, the heart, and the way we experience life. It steals little joys: the walks you skip, the stairs you avoid, the plans you cancel because your body won't cooperate. But when you make small, consistent choices that honor your body, like drinking this smoothie each morning, you begin to take your power back. It's not about chasing youth or turning back time. It's about rebuilding strength, one day at a time. And when you do that, life feels lighter again. So don't wait another day. Try this recipe for yourself, starting tomorrow morning. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Senior Forge 365, and click the Super Thanks button below to support future videos that help seniors live pain-free, active, and independent lives. And I'd love to know, how's your knee pain right now? What activities have you had to give up because of it? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else who's going through the same thing. If you enjoyed this video, click the one appearing on your screen right now. In it, we'll explore another powerful natural remedy that supports joint strength and flexibility. A perfect complement to what you've learned today. Thank you for watching, for taking care of yourself, and for choosing to live with health, hope, and strength, no matter your age.